Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by confirming your Ubuntu release and desktop session so the live wallpaper tool matches your environment. Install the package now using apt or flatpak. For example, run the install command and accept prompts. Once done, enable any required compositor features or GNOME extensions so animated backgrounds can render correctly. Make sure to restart your session if prompted. This prevents conflicts and prepares the system for the next setup step. You open the Live Wallpaper app and import your chosen video, GIF, or HTML canvas. You can drag files or use the import menu. Next, configure playback options like frame rate, loop, and whether audio plays, and reduce resolution or opacity if performance suffers. Once configured, assign the wallpaper to a single monitor or all displays and hit apply. If you need consistency, use the app's profile or save settings so you can quickly restore them later. You finalize by creating an auto start entry so the live wallpaper launches at login. Add the app to startup applications or use a desktop file. Then monitor CPU and GPU usage for a few minutes. If you see high usage, make sure to lower resolution, disable audio, or set lower frame rates. If the wallpaper fails, revert to a static background, remove the app, and reinstall. This clears corrupt configs and usually resolves conflicts with compositors or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.